Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 4900, and this is the City Fire Helicopter. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing a LEGO Polybag build-along every day, one a day, for the foreseeable future. And if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find this on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also the link to the brick set description for the page. I'm sorry, for the set, if you just want to find out about the set itself. There's also a Google Docs spreadsheet that has information about these LEGO Polybag build-alongs, past, present, and future. So if you want information about any of the previous ones or any of the ones coming up that I have scheduled, you can check that out. So, and there's links for everything in that. If you want to like build along with or find out what's coming. Oops, the helmet popped off. All right. So this is going to be our firefighter, and now let's see what we got. This one is only 34 pieces, so it's actually not a super complicated one, I don't think, but might be a neat addition to a city, like if you have a LEGO city set up. Alright, so it's looking pretty straightforward so far. So these are going to be the skids, it looks like. Yeah, these are going to be the skids. And then we have the body of the helicopter right here. And some blue lights on the front skids. I don't know. This is an okay looking one, I guess, so far. But I don't know. Let's see how it turns out. I've liked other ones better so far, but maybe this improves rapidly. Alright, so we got the blue lights, and then we have clip-on things here, like so, and here. So two clip-ons facing this, two clips facing outward. Both like that. And then we have two red 1x1s that go in front of them. That's one. Line that up a little better. And that's another one. I feel like there should be some lights on the back of the skids. That's those. Alright, so let's get those. And then we have a red 2x2. Goes on the front right here, like so. We have a steering wheel, which, as everyone knows, that's how you fly a helicopter. And then we have this black piece goes in the back, like so. Oops. So we got that, and then we're gonna have, I guess this is maybe a spotlight. It's supposed to be like a spotlight. So a spotlight goes on one side, like so, and then we put the front on, the front of our helicopter on right here. Got that, we got that, we got that. These two pieces right here. Like that. And like so. And then we're going to have This piece. So for this piece, we insert one of these in there, like so. And then this goes on top. So we put him together already. And then we got to put together, so this is the chainsaw body, maybe? Anyway, put this right here, and this clips on like this, right there. Alright, so we've got to put the rotor on. And for the rotor, we have the clip, and then like so, and like so. Did they give us an extra rotor? Alright. So we got that. And then this goes, this, well, let's put him in first. It'll make it easier for us on the long run. So he goes in here, like so he can drive his helicopter with his steering wheel. And then the roof goes on, like so. And this goes on top. And then we have the big propeller, goes on top of that. Maybe goes on top of that? Yeah. Goes on top of that. Like so. Alright, extra pieces wise, we got these left. They actually gave us a propeller too. Alright, I don't know. It's kind of a nifty little thing, but I don't know. I feel like I want a little more. But maybe this is okay as a city thing goes. There have definitely been city pieces that I like more than this one. But this one, I could see maybe there being a little bit of fun playing this. I don't like this right here. You see this where it's not attached? It just kind of like rests on top of it. I don't know. I'm not crazy about that. But aside from that, it's not bad, I guess. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.